Now, in another tutorial of finding the curve at a given point, we're going to be remembering at first the rule. You have to pivot the ruler at a point where it intersects with the curve at only one point, forming two equivalent angles which are equal as much as possible on both sides in order to go on with calculating the gradient, which is based on the rise and the run. Now, solving the example at hand, it says find the gradient of the curve y equals x squared minus x at the point where x equal to 2. Now, if we were to find where x is equal to 2, let's find some calculations around 2, a bit below and a bit above. So, you should form a small table where you will be finding particular points by giving random values to x and hence finding the other representative values of y. Now, in such case, I have used minus 1, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3 for x, and as you can see, the respective values of y. Now, for x is equal to 1, y was equal to 1 squared minus 1, which is 1 minus 1, and that would be 0. And also, when x was equal to 2, y was equal to 2 squared minus 2, which is 4 minus 2, and that would be 2. And that is the value of y when x is 2. So, in such case, we can see that we have found particular points. Now, after plotting these points on this graph, you can see that you can draw the parabola right here, which represents y equal to x squared minus x. Now, in such case, we are working with at x equal to 2. So, going up to the point of intersection right here, we draw the tangent. As we have learned, the tangent should only intersect at only one point and form two equivalent angles on both respective sides. Now, of course, this is not 100% accurate, but it should be as equal as possible. Now, form the right triangle where we have a run equivalent to 1 unit right here and a rise which is equivalent to 3 units. Of course, you can notice that the rise is positive since it has a positive direction. Same for our gradient. So our gradient is going to be positive. Now, after forming this right triangle where the rise equal to 3 and the run equal to 1, we can go ahead and calculate our gradient, which is gradient at x equal to 2 is equal to the rise divided by the run. And that would be 3 divided by 1, and that is equal to 3. So 3 would be the gradient right here,